Uh, Today I will discuss about the Hungarian method. It's a part of the uh, linear programming. First, what do you mean by Hungarian method? Find the minimum cost of the drawing matrix. There is a four step to solve the any of the Hungarian method. First is a n into n balance. Both row and column both will be a balance, like as a 3 into 3, 4 into 4 matrix. Subtract smallest entry of in each row, all the entry column. Find the subtracts all of the column, minimum smallest column of all of the column. Entry which of the smallest number will be subtract all of the column. Third is a draw line cover zero entry minimum. Draw line, that means cover the all of the zero with minimum row. And fourth is minimum number of covering line is n. So the first is a n into n balance. Subtract smallest entry of each column, draw line to cover 0 entry minimum and minimum number of the covering line into n. Optimal assignment. So example will be given. Simplest example: 250, 400, 350, 400, 600, 350, 200, 400, 250. So first find out the minimum number of this matrix. So first is a 250, and in this number is 350, and which is a 200. So subtract each of the number of minimum number. So first 250 minus 250 and 0, then all of the column will be divided, subtracts, so the minimum number is found. And also find in a column, because it is not a 0 in this column. So which number is a minimum? So 150 is a minimum number. So also in a subtract in a 150 in this column. So suppose 150 minus 150 0, 150 minus 250 is 100, and 150 minus is a 200 is a 50. So this step is also including in a 0, and each row and each column each row will be have a 0 will be obtained. So 3 line will optimal assignment. That means all of the covered 0 first, second, third. Also in a drawing in a row base. So first, second, third. So which will be covered in a 0 250. That means written is 250 minimum. Only for one value will be included in this row and column. So 250 is also included, and this row which will be covered first is a 400, 200. Why will be including a 200? Because one row and one column will be included of this matrix. So this is this and this both will be in both value is not allowed in the Hungarian method. So this column, this value will be included. So this value is a which value is 200 will be included, and this value is a 400, and not giving any of the 0 in this column. So 400, and last is a 350. So both will be added, 400, 250 and 350 is 950 is the answer.